Hello, everybody. I'm Rudrani, and so excited to be at the red carpet of Danny Properties Filmfare OTT Awards 2024, and I'm in the winners counter. And I'm very excited to tell you that we have a winner. Of course, it's Vedang Raina. Congratulations, Vedang. It's incredible because you always dreamt to be here, and today you have the black lady in your hand. So let me ask you how you're feeling.
It's unreal, man. Like I said this before, I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe any of this is happening. It's happened way too quick. I said in my speech earlier when I received the award that I would be doing my second year MBA right now, if not for Zoya casting me in the Archies. That's the direction I was going in, and here I am today. So yeah, it's surreal.
You have the black lady in your hand. Tell me, who are you dedicating this to?
I dedicate this to Team Archies, Zoya, my family, and dare I say my fans, the supporters out there.
Why did I say?
Uh,
Say it.
I mean, I'm new to this, so I'm not gonna say I have a lot of fans, but the few of you out there who always supported me, accepted me right after my first film, and showed me so much love. Thank you so much.
But it's obviously always special. Like if I tell you today you're going to go back, I'm sure you're going to reunite with the team of Archies to celebrate this little win, aren't you? And tell me what will they say to you? Let's guess.
I mean, it's not like everyone's busy doing their own thing right now, so we're not gonna meet after this. Hopefully sometime, yeah, and I'm sure they'll be happy.
There's something that you take from your character today that we get to go back to what you did, right? So if there is something that I can say you take back from your character, a good, bad, ugly, everything.
Take back from my character is to look after the people you care about, like how Reggie looked after Dilton, and he loved his friends no matter what. I think that's what I take away, to always care for people around you and support them.
It's been an incredible year for you. Can we just talk about Jigra as well, right? It must have been disappointing not to get so much box office result that you must be expecting, but you got a lot of love for choosing a character like that. Let's talk about that.
Yeah, I always say I didn't choose Jigra. It happened. Yeah, I mean, the first two films, I had no liberty and no privilege to choose from projects. So these two projects happened to me, and I was really lucky to be a part of them. And Jigra will always be a very, very special film for me. It changed a lot of things. It was like my coming of age as an actor. So yeah,
It was a tough role. Sorry for interrupting.
yeah, really tough role. I had to be without hair for 1 year. Now that I've grown it back, I keep looking in the mirror, and it's hard to see my hair back. It's hard to believe it's back. But yeah, there's so many great things to take away, and yeah, I love the experience.
Apparently, there's a movie that might happen with some more actors, Kushi and others. Is that true? Are there more films coming up?
There's some films that are in conversation. Nothing that I've signed on yet. No, not yet, not yet. There's nothing like finalized yet. Maybe early next year or so, I'll start shooting, and then maybe I can talk about it.
Are you giving us a cute rom-com? Tell us you are at some point.
Hopefully, I want to explore that. It's been two films of me not really being opposite anyone. So I'd love to explore that. Love to explore rom-coms, all kind of genres, man. I really want to explore as much as I can as an actor.
I love it. Thank you so much. I'll let you go. And I'm very, very happy for you. Would you like to flaunt the black lady once again, please? Thank you. Thank you so much. This is the year of Patra and Raj, huh? Isn't it?
Oh, thank you so much. Of course, if you
power
feel like that, this is great. We want, of course, every year to be our year, every year to be year of great films and great stories.
And look, he's won the Black Lady.
दिखाइए, flaunt करते हैं.
Nothing can be better than that.
The Tutu Awards.
Yeah.
But tell me, it's true, isn't it? It's incredible. You work so hard.
Yeah.
And I see what a cheerleader he is when you're getting the camera.
Yeah. I guess we always are cheering for each other because we know how tough it is, and also how happy the moments are when you shine. Like tonight is a night to celebrate because he's won the Filmfare.
It's a story that everybody loves because he came here, you came here and made it on your own. I feel like it's an inspiring story for a lot of actors, isn't it? It's true.
Thank you. I think, of course, we both worked really hard, and we both were there for each other as a big support and strength for each other. And then we kept chasing it. I think we kept hustling, and then God is really kind to us.
I'll have to talk about this award. Please flaunt it once again. It's been a special series, of course, क्योंकि ये किसी भी तरह से conventional नहीं था. And I feel like all of them came together. Rajan DK, you all have, we've seen that they kind of pick up people who they believe in completely. And I feel like this is the kind of validation that every actor wants inside. And Raj, you keep getting it every year.
No, I think the credit should go to Rajan DK and the writers, Suman.
But Raju, I feel like you should really thank yourself because he works so hard. And I think for once you should say, I won this award for me, myself, because I worked that hard.
Yeah, of course, that is there. What means, of course, you as an actor and as any technician, you have to work hard. You have to give it your best. But I have to thank, of course, Raj DK and the whole team at Netflix. And then I want to thank me also because I
deserve it. And I'm always working and I love what I do.
I worked my
Cute, see?
dash off for years.
But are you reminding him always because you feel like...
Yeah.
Because, like I was telling about you.
Yeah.
You go out and shuffle the people.
Yeah.
Isn't that incredible?
Yeah.
I didn't see him go out there and really put it out there. Does it sometimes make you angry and telling, nahi yaar, karo thoda?
No, but I know the person that he is, and he really believes in his art, and he feels like his art should do the work, which I think his art has been supporting him, and thus he wins one award every year, and he kind of so deserves it.
Our superstars, thank you so much.
Your work should speak. No, I think I believe in that, your work, because eventually that is what people will remember once you're gone after 50, 100 years. Nobody will remember out other things. People will only and only know you for your work and for the kind of person you were.
And they are incredible people. You were saying something, no?
No, that's about
We are done. That's about it. We have to let them go because now they have to celebrate. Thank you. And my favorite couple, I will always cheer for both of you. Thank you once again. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. Bye, guys. Thank you. She's always been a winner and just right happens to have the Black Lady tonight as well, looking like $1 million bucks.
You're thrilling with my film fair.
Sir, aapke liye, I was giving the vibes in the universe. I want to tell you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Always the Black Lady in the hand always feels special.
It does. Film fair. I mean, this can never. I don't know. I could have never imagined this growing up. That I would be here and winning a film fair for my performance, especially Maharani, because the second time I'm winning for the same character. I think that's really rare. Like I would tease Subhash sir, our showrunner director, that sir, ऐसा नहीं होता. इतनी मेहनत क्यों करा रहे हो season 3 में? एक बार ही award मिलता है, हर साल नहीं देंगे. And then to have this is really special. I can't wait to get off and call him.
I must say, I remember when OTT was just starting, everybody was building platforms. You took the charge of getting the series and putting it out there. We've seen it happen for you. You continue to get such interesting roles. How do you look at this journey?
Well, I feel very blessed. I think the fact that, yes, you are right, I was one of the first women in the country to be leading a show. And it's remarkable that here we are today celebrating the best in the business for OTT. It feels kind of nice and cool to be like a trendsetter. I wouldn't deny it, but no, I think the fact is that there's such talented writers, directors, technicians, actors that are just putting out consistently great work, whether it's series or films, and I'm just honored to be part of that elite club.
I'll do some fun questions so that I know you want to go and celebrate back home, obviously. Quick ones. Okay. People have said Maharani has been inspiring for them. For Huma, which is that 2-3 performances or one performance that you thought was inspiring this year?
Oh, wow. So many, yeah. I would say, the gentleman who did the Telugu scam, I thought he was wonderful. Rajiv, I think Brad is his name. He was fantastic. I thought such an unusual performance. I mean, Scam for me is a really special series. Whether it was one where we had a Pratik Gandhi or two, I think they both have been phenomenal.
If you had to swap your life with another actor for just today, hypothetically, no hypotheticals?
No, not at all. I love my life. I love my life.
Because you have the Black Lady in you, what would you tell the 16-year-old Huma who didn't know if this was possible?
I think just keep the faith. Sometimes you don't know how it's going to happen, but it's going to happen. So just keep walking. Just keep the faith.
If I tell you I will give you something in place of the Black Lady, what would that be and
I
why?
would say my car's waiting.
Thank you, Huma.
Save the rest of your questions for the next promotion, which is going to happen very soon.
Thank you so much. I love you. Bye, babe.